Hello everyone. So today I am going to make colorful apron designs. That's a traditional folk art of Uttarakhand. And for that I am taking here a wooden board in which I have painted red color and some paint together like green, yellow, 00 size brush, turpentine oil, which you also call tarpin oil. So first I am making a circle in the center with the help of bowl, and I am using white pencil color so that you can see it. Now I will apply white color over it. So my circle is ready and now it's time to make flower inside it. So in the middle of this circle I am making a coil shape. As you can see that there are some holes in this wooden block which is visible right now, but I will try to hide it with my design. After making coil in the center, now I am using yellow color, and first of all you have to mix it properly before using it. And again I am making the coil design around the previous one coil. And like this your one petal of flower is ready, and similarly I am going to proceed it with the same design. In a first attempt I am using a light color so that if there will be mistake I can erase it. So for erasing or removing the paint from the block you will use turpentine oil. So here I have used a trick for making these coils easily. So what I have done, I have made small circles first and then making designs inside it. And that's it, your flower is ready. Now I am going to make leaves around it. Just now I am making only the outline. For filling it I am going to add white and green color which will give a light shade to it. And yes, this mixture turned into a very cool green color, you can see it. I am done with one leaf and now I am going to move into another one. I am going to apply the same shade. And remember that you have to apply your color from top to bottom. As earlier I was making the outline first, but this time I decided to make it directly, and you can see that it turned out really good. And after that I made small dots outside this circle. My center part is ready. Now I'm going to make designs on the side. For that I'm going to draw some diagonal or slanting lines, and these lines will crisscross each other which will form the X shape. After making single lines I am going to make another lines next to it, and after it the design will look like this. As we all know that any apron without dots are considered incomplete, so I am putting dots in the middle of it. You must be thinking that now which design I am going to make inside it, but I kept it very simple. So I am making here again the coil shape which I made in the center. And yes, you will make these designs in the straight line. And you are going to repeat the same design in alternative line. And in the remaining part I am going to make leaves again, and this time I am not going to add white color in it. So here my first side of the board is ready. Now it's time for next side. You have to repeat the same design in another half. And it's time for giving the finishing touch. And again I'm putting small dots. And just have a look at how these small dots have enhanced the beauty of this design. And this was my experiment with traditional apron design by using colorful paints. And if you like this video, then press the like button and subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.